Hi, this is Umar from Group Consultancies, and this is part 1 of our CRM system. The purpose of the series of videos is to introduce our CRM system, and also it is for marketing and training all in the same time. Part 2 of the series will be a theoretical introduction to the concept of CRM systems, and we will start the practical introduction to our system in part 3. In this video, we will introduce the Crm Demo version. And the purpose is to provide you with a tool, if you want, that can help you to follow up the training that we will introduce in the coming videos. Now, you can download the Crm Demo version free from our website, and you will receive it in a compact file like this. And it is better not to extract it in the desktop, because highly likely you need to run the extraction process as an administrator, and this is a long process. Best solution is to copy the file and extract it in a folder inside the directory. So for example, we can paste the compact file here, which is a folder inside the D directory, and we can extract the file here and we will receive this folder. Now this file has about 35 megabytes, 9 files and 8 folders. Let's click on it, and you can see 4 folders here, and we will discuss these folders at the end of this video. But let's go to the CRM 64-bit. The CRM system has been written in 64-bit and 32-bit, and we will discuss this at the end of this video. But let's go directly to the 64-bit. You will have the CRM Demo admin and you have the CRM Demo user. Now, the CRM system is a network application where the database is located in a server, and all the CRM applications are linked to that server in the network. However, the demo version is a single user application. Therefore, the database is attached to the application. Also, in the network system, users need to register their computers first in the admin database before they are able to enter the CRM application. However, the demo version is a single user application, and therefore we don't need to register the computer first. We can just enter directly to the CRM user application. Let's open the CRM user application. Double click. This is the main page for the CRM user application, the demo version, and you can see here demo application, and actually you can see the demo options. As we said, we are not going to go into great details here in this video. We're going to speak about the CRM in details in the coming videos. This is just to give the flavor of the CRM system, and you can, if you want, use the demo version as a training tool to follow up the discussion that we will do in the next videos. If you click at view, you will enter the modules in the CRM system, the contacts, companies, projects, finance, which includes invoices and purchases, the materials, which are the materials in the company, and the materials in store, that is the stock. The CRM files, there is a document management module in the CRM system, and we will speak about this in details in a future video. Changed log. Any changes happened in any record will be recorded. So for example, let's go to the contacts database, the contacts module. This is from the system. The system will create the first record in the contact database. Let's click at it. Let's make it Omar, and let's choose this one to be our company. Exit. Let's go to the changed log. There is 2 changes happened. The name from user was user to UMA, and we changed the company. There was nothing, and we put the company to be our company. The knowledge base is a system where you can create many databases customized to the company's needs. There is the assets. And the calendar, which is the scheduled management module. This we will speak about it in a future video. Also, we have a color code here. If you click in the main page, there is a button called color code. If you click at the color code, you will find an explanation for the color code. Every shape and every color in the system has a meaning. We will discuss this in a future video. I think in part 4 we will discuss this in details. However, for now, every color and every shape has a meaning. So let's go to contacts. You will find different colors here, and every color has a meaning. And we can change these colors. Color control, we go from color code to color control. Let's change this to green, for example. Let's make this darker. Let's make this lighter. And let's make this also lighter. Apply. And you have a different set of colors. View, contacts. And you can return back to color code, color control, and you have here back to default. Apply and exit, and you return back to the default colors. Also, you have a demo options, which is only for the demo version. Only for the demo version. If you see, there is only one record created by the system, but if you go, for example, to projects, there is no records here because the system is fresh. But you can generate a random data. You can generate random data to see how the system interacts with big set of data. You can just click add random data. Click view, contacts, and the system added 51 random data. And you, for example, you can click here. This is just a collection of words. The data itself doesn't have a meaning. For example, this name doesn't have a meaning, but it's actually a random data, and it is a record. And you look at it as a record in the contact database, and you can see that in, for example, projects. And you can use the random data to test, for example, the search tools, to test, for example, if you want to change something. And you can add more random data. So in projects, for example, now there is 102 records. And you can add more and more and more. Just if you want to test the system for big set of data. Also, you can just clear all data. And if you click at contacts, for example, there is only one record, because the one record, the first record is generated by the system, so it will not be deleted. But for example, go to projects, you return back to 0. So, as I said, we are not going to go into great details because we have the coming videos will explain a lot of details related to the CRM system. We are just here giving the flavor using the demo version of the CRM system. And the usefulness of the demo version is that it is a good tool for training. it's a good tool for training. Quit. Now, as we said, there is the 64-bit of access for CRM access, and there is the 32-bit. The 64-bit end with ACCDE, and you can use it for any access 64-bit. You can use it at access 2013 or access 2016 or access 2019 or access 365. In the 32-bit, it will end in MDE, and we put that purposefully. Originally it was ACCDE, the same as the one in 64-bit, but we decided that we put the extension as MDE so that we distinguish this application as a 32-bit. Now, this, you cannot open it with Access 2000 or Access 2003, but you can open it with Access 2007, Access 2010, and any Access 32-bit. And the distinction, which is MDE, is useful if you have both access. For example, if you have Access 64-bit 365, but you have Access 32-bit 2007 runtime, you can direct the runtime to open the MDE files. So it will be helpful. Now, as I said, MDE, the extension was ACCDE. We put it as MDE just to make clear that this is a 32-bit. You cannot open it with Access 2000. You cannot open it with Access 2003, but you can open it with Access 2007 and upward. Also, there is the notes folder in the CRM demo, and there is the note text, which is no MS Access application. If you click at it, if you don't have MS Access, then you can install Access Runtime, which is a free application that can be downloaded from Microsoft website. And if you download this free application from Microsoft website, our application can work perfectly with it. And then you have the PDF notes, which is a quick manual and an introduction in Arabic and English. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.